Hey you guys, it's Megan. I hope all of you are doing wonderful. I'm very excited about today's video, as I hope you are as well. I'm not sure if you noticed the title of this video, the thumbnail of this video, or perhaps the top that I'm wearing, but I do have a Valentine's Day giveaway going on. Real quick, before I go ahead and show you guys what those giveaway prizes will be, it's important for me to let you know, very important for me to let you know how fair I will make this giveaway, how fair I've done past giveaways. That's something I truly believe in. I go to great lengths to make sure each and every entry is accounted for as it should be, because you deserve a fair giveaway, and after all, fate deserves to take its course. So please rest assured and know that your entries will be taken very seriously. And just a quick side note, I enjoy doing giveaways. I look forward to doing a lot more in the future. I appreciate you guys. After all, I do quite a few unboxings where I feel like it's just me unboxing all the time. I feel giveaways are a great way to give back to you. There's going to be a total of 3 winners. I'll go ahead and show you guys what the prizes are. After that, we'll quickly go over the rules of entry. Just out of this, going right back to making this a very fair giveaway, everybody that answered that bonus question in my last video, your entry is in. It's definitely accounted for. Another thing I forgot to mention, this is going to be an international giveaway, so everybody is open to enter. First prize winner is going to be receiving not just 1, but 2 Louis Vuitton gifts. I'm sure you guys can understand I cannot unwrap this. I'll tell you what's inside. Reason being, you deserve to unwrap this, as it will be your gift. But obviously, I'll let you know what's inside. It's a new release item from Louis Vuitton, their newest perfume, Spell on You. I thought it would be perfect for Valentine's Day. The title, the color, and the reviews on this perfume. For any of you guys that don't own Louis Vuitton perfume, I do, and I can let you know that the bottle is absolutely luxuriously beautiful. Not only does it smell wonderful, but it also makes a great display piece. So this is a piece from my personal collection. It was very hard to obtain. It's very expensive on the pre-loved market. I used it one time. It literally is in brand new condition. I really think you guys are gonna like this piece, as it's so beautiful, very hard to get, and absolutely wonderful. I would be keeping it if I didn't have so many like it within my collection. So here she is, waiting for a new home, waiting to be loved by someone who will actually pay attention to her. This beautiful Louis Vuitton card holder. Out of all the designs for card holders, this by far, in my opinion, is the best. In the front, you can see there is a lot of room for credit cards. In the back, you see an opening where you can put more credit cards. And then in the middle, there is a zipper, as you can see, where you can put cash, coins, and receipts. I'm not sure if you guys are like me, but when a piece is made in France, it makes it that much better. And this one was indeed made in France. Again, so much space on the interior. You really can fit a lot within this piece, and I really love the fact that Louis Vuitton decided to go in the direction of silver hardware with this pink color. So this little cutie is just waiting for fate to take its course and for her to go home to her rightful owner. And I forgot to mention, with both of these pieces, you'll definitely receive a brand new Louis Vuitton gift bag. Like I said, there's going to be a total of 3 winners. That gives you more chances to win, and I think makes it a lot more fun. The second prize winner is going to receive something from the beautiful luxury fashion house of Versace. If you win this one, we're going to be twinning, because I did receive it as a Christmas gift this year. It's so pretty. You guys can see right here the authenticity card, and inside we have a beautiful Versace logo necklace. I can't even tell you guys how much I enjoy this necklace. That's why I included it within this giveaway. What I really love about it is how adjustable the length is. Versace truly did a wonderful job with this necklace. Reason why I say that is because the Versace logo isn't overbearing. It's not gaudy, yet at the same time it stands out in a very beautiful way. I'm loving this little Medusa logo right here. So pretty. There's also another one right here. And what's wonderful about this beautiful necklace is you have the versatility of being able to wear it higher up on the chest if you like, or farther down. It has a very adjustable chain drop. I'm very happy to say that the second prize winner will receive this beautiful Versace logo necklace, as I am quite confident you will absolutely adore it. And the third prize, who does not like Starbucks? I know I'm definitely addicted. The third prize will be a $50 Starbucks gift card. Now let's get into the rules of entry. What you want to do first and foremost is to be subscribed to my channel. Secondly, to go down to the comment section below, comment the word enter, followed by something you are grateful for, and then to simply follow me on Instagram. If you do not have an Instagram account, please put that in your comment below. There are 2 ways to earn a total of 4 bonus entries. Like I said, all entries will be accounted for in a very fair way. So what you want to do to get 2 bonus entries, if you have Instagram, to go to my giveaway announcement post, tag 2 people that you think might be interested in this giveaway, and you'll definitely be given those entries. The other way to gain another 2 bonus entries is to share this video on your Facebook page, and what you want to do is just take a screenshot and send that to my email, fashionwithmegan@gmail.com. And again, I can promise you those entries will be taken very, very seriously, definitely accounted for. The last day to get your entries in will be Monday, February 14th. Shortly after that, I will be releasing a giveaway announcement video. And just to reiterate, if I went a little bit too quick with the directions there, they are linked within the description box below, but I'll just go ahead and state them. First step, to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Second, to go down to the comment section below, comment the word enter, followed by something that you are grateful for, and then to follow me on Instagram. If you are not on Instagram, to please let me know within your comment. There are 2 ways to earn a total of 4 bonus entries. The first way is to simply go to my giveaway announcement post located within my Instagram page, tag 2 people that you think would be interested in this giveaway. And to earn those last 2 bonus entries, to share this video on your Facebook page, take a screenshot, send it to my email, fashionwithmegan@gmail.com. I can assure you again, you'll definitely receive those bonus entries. I don't know about you guys, but I'm very excited about this giveaway. A huge good luck to you for winning. And did I say it enough? This is going to be a very fair giveaway. Fate will take its course. And if you are meant to be the winner, that is going to happen. As a lot of you guys know, I end my videos with spiritual inspiration. That'll definitely be included within my next video, which is coming out very soon. But because this one was focused solely on the giveaway, I'll leave you with something short, but hopefully very, very sweet. Like my past giveaways, I asked you guys to comment something that you are grateful for within your life. Gratitude, what a beautiful thing. When we focus on the things that we do have rather than the things we don't have, we will find that our lives go in a beautiful and more happy direction. If you'd like to experience an instant spirit lifter, focus on all of the free and beautiful gifts God has given to you in your life. I think you'll find that that list goes on and on and on, which will allow your spirit to lift higher, higher, and higher. And we all deserve to be living our very best lives possible. So I'm very excited about this giveaway. I hope you guys are as well. Until my next, which I'm very, very excited about. Cannot wait to show you something special. You guys take care, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Bye.